Will pollution become a political issue? Tomorrow the Lok Sabha will have a short duration debate on it. It doesn't need a short duration debate. It needs a long debate, for God's sake. If we can debate Vande Mataram for 10 hours, we should be debating pollution, solutions to pollution for a full day. But guess what? Politics has taken over. Delhi's Environment Minister Manjinder Singh Sirsa has blamed AAP and Congress for the pollution, and at the same time said from tomorrow, private companies will be asked to ensure that 50% of their workforce works from home. Now, are these ad hoc measures that will actually have an impact, or will politics take over yet again? Take a look at this report.
Delhi is breathless. Delhi is blinded by thick smog. Delhi is so polluted that it is not worth living in. Delhi's anti-pollution prescription is 50% compulsory work from home, ban on all construction activities. Only BS6 complaint vehicles are allowed in Delhi. No fuel without PUC certificate. Carpooling application for Delhi. 27 mechanical sweeper machines in every ward. 100 more EV buses. But the capital city has capital problems of power struggle, where politicians engage in war of words rather than cleaning up the air in war footing. When Delhi's Environment Minister Manjinder Singh Sirsa apologized to the people, stating that the government was working hard to fix the issue, Congress leader and prominent Delhi resident Priyanka Gandhi Vadra taunted it as too little too late.
मैं दिल्ली के लोगों से माफी मांगता हूं, इतना कहना चाहता हूं 9-10 महीनों में कोई सरकार आपको पूरा का पूरा पोल्यूशन को साफ कर सके, ऐसा असंभव है। लेकिन मैं दिल्ली वासियों आपको बताना चाहता हूं, आम आदमी पार्टी की सरकार जो बेईमानी करके चल कर गई है, हमने उससे बेहतर करके हर दिन का AQI कम करा है।
माफी मांगने का क्या फायदा है? काम करें, ठीक कराएं। हमने कहा कि सब इकट्ठे होकर हम कुछ अच्छे ठोस निर्णय लें, लेकिन यहाँ तो चर्चा भी नहीं हो रही है उस पर।
दिल्ली के हमारे सभी संगठन के लोगों को
The very next day, Delhi Environment Minister targeted Congress leader Priyanka Gandhi Vadra as many opposition leaders were seen wearing masks at the parliament.
प्रियंका गांधी जी बता दें, मैंने उनको पिछले साल का बता दिया है, 17 तारीख को 433 था आज के दिन, उन्होंने मास्क लगाया था। अगर आपने तब ये इशू पार्लियामेंट में उठाए होते तो अब तक ये ठीक हो गया होता।
The AQI of Delhi improved to very poor on Wednesday after 2 days of severe air quality. The capital city has been battling high AQI for more than a month this winter, and Delhi government has been on the back foot defending its policies. Opposition parties have been demanding discussion in the parliament over pollution, while the Delhi government has been busy blaming the previous Aam Aadmi Party government for the mess. Bureau Report, India Today.